In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Revit installation errors on Windows. If your install keeps failing or throwing confusing messages, follow along and we'll go through a clean, reliable process to get you up and running. First, close Revit and any other Autodesk applications that might be open. That includes helper apps in the background. A quick check in Task Manager to make sure no Autodesk processes are lingering can prevent file lock conflicts during setup. Next, restart your computer. A simple reboot clears temporary locks and frees up resources that can interfere with installers. Before retrying the installation, make sure Windows is fully updated. Open Windows Update, click Check for updates, and install everything that's available, including optional quality and .NET updates. When updates finish, restart if prompted. Confirm that you have administrator rights on the machine. If you're on a work computer, you may need to sign in with an admin account or ask your IT team for permission. Administrative privileges are crucial for writing files and registering components during installation. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall while you install. Security tools can block or quarantine installer components by mistake. Just remember to turn them back on as soon as you're done. Now clear the Revit installation cache. Open File Explorer and go to users / your username / app data / local / Autodesk + Revit +. If you don't see app data, enable hidden items in the view menu. Inside the Revit folder, delete temporary files and old installer remnants. This removes corrupted or partial data that can cause repeat failures. Avoid deleting your custom content or families stored elsewhere. Because Revit relies on Microsoft.NET, repair or reinstall the .NET framework. On Windows, you can enable or repair .NET via Turn Windows features on or off, ensuring .NET Framework 3.5 and the latest .NET 4.x are installed. If needed, download the official installer from Microsoft and run a repair. With that done, run the Revit installer again, but right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Using the latest installer package from Autodesk improves your chances of a smooth setup. If the error still persists, uninstall Revit completely, then reinstall it with the latest updates from Autodesk. Use Settings, Apps, and remove Revit, then restart before reinstalling. If you have custom templates or families, back them up beforehand so you can restore them afterward. Once installation completes, re-enable your antivirus and firewall. At this point, you should have a clean, stable Revit install. If issues remain, check Autodesk's release notes for known fixes or reach out to your IT administrator for environment-specific help.